I think we do have a number of medicines, but we have to remember at each treatment line there's also a number of drug failures. It's a therapy that's largely defined by drug failure at multiple treatment lines, and that's only going to get more complex with more drugs, more different mechanisms of actions. I suspect that the majority of those mechanisms of action will be applied in late rheumatoid arthritis after TNF failure first, and I think being able to judge which patients might respond preferentially to different mechanisms of action is the way that rheumatology will go. Well, it's a much younger field in rheumatology. The heterogeneity of rheumatology makes it extremely complex environment to apply personalised healthcare. If you look, a lot of the therapies have come from oncology that are being applied in rheumatology. And I think the wish to apply personalised healthcare is something that all people prescribe to in rheumatology. So I think it's only a matter of time, but we're just learning how to divide up complex disease to drug response. Well, rheumatology is an area where physicians have applied quite extensively lab-based assessments to help make treatment decisions, to classify patients into different disease subsegments in rheumatology, everything from anti-nuclear antibodies through to other autoantibodies and CRP and markers of inflammation. So they are important. I think we know that they're increasingly aware of a number of subgroups within each particular disease subdivision. And I think that that's an area that we will invest more heavily in, not only in classifying patients into different diseases, but also predicting what their disease course, what route their disease course might follow. Might they be fast progressors, slower progressors, and might we alter treatment practice accordingly? Yeah, I think so. I think it's an area where we have already a lot of business. Roche Diagnostics have an extensive catalogue in rheumatology. I think the issue will be is if we start to diagnose and classify patients using a number of different lab-based tests, that we also understand how that might divide up the patient population and how we might apply treatments differently. I think more than likely over the next 5 to 10 years we will start to see physicians treating based on a mechanism of action based approach rather than a disease classification.